Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 35, that is sports quiz. So all of you please take out your textbook, take lesson number 35 on page number 51. Sports quiz. Here this chapter is dealing with some of the questions regarding the sports events. Sports includes all forms of competitive physical activity or games. It brings the people of a nation together. So, but in the sports, it includes all the activities which may be a physical activity or games. All competitions are included in the sports, and these sports bring the people of a nation together. Tick the correct option. Here some questions are given, MCQs are given. You have to find the correct answer. So first question is, the award given for outstanding performance in sports is, so here three options are being given. First one is Bharat Ratna, second one Arjuna Award, and third one is Dronacharya Award. So the award given for outstanding performance in sports is Arjuna Award. So the award given is Arjuna Award, and this Bharat Ratna Award is the highest civilian award given by President of India. It is the highest civilian award. And this Dronacharya Award, it is officially known as Dronacharya Award for outstanding coaches in sports and games. And this Dronacharya Award is given after Guru Drona. He is a character in the Mahabharata of ancient India. He was the master of Kauravas and Pandavas, and this award came on his name. And this award is given annually by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Okay, and this Arjuna Award is also given by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. So the award given for outstanding performance is Arjuna Award. Okay, and Bharat Ratna and Dronacharya, I hope you have understood. Bharat Ratna is given for the highest civilian, or it is a highest civilian award, and Dronacharya is the award for outstanding coaches in sports and games. So let us move on to the second question. Second question is, basketball was invented in 1891 by. So who invented basketball? The options given here are A. James Naismith, second one B. William G. Morgan, and C. George Hancock. And the answer is option A, James Naismith. So tick on this option. And this William G. Morgan, his full name is William George Morgan. He was the inventor of volleyball. And George Hancock, he was the reporter of Chicago Board of Trade, and he invented the game of softball in 1887. So James Naismith invented basketball, William G. Morgan invented volleyball, and George Hancock invented softball. So answer for this question is option A. Third one, the word libero is used in. So the word libero is used in which of the following games? Option A, basketball, option B, football, and option C is volleyball. And the answer is volleyball, option C. And this libero is a special defensive player. It is a player, and it is a defensive player on the team, and he is only allowed to play for back row players, and this libero is only allowed to play for back row players. Now question number 4, bonus line is marked in. So in which of the following games bonus line is marked? Let us see. The options given here are option A, Kho-Kho, option B, Kabaddi, and option C, badminton. And the answer is Kabaddi. So bonus line is marked in the game Kabaddi. And this bonus game is applicable when there are minimum 6 defenders on the court. At least there should be 6 defenders on the court. That time only this bonus line is marked. Then question number 5. In March 2016, the Indian Open Golf Championship was won by. So in March 2016, who won the Indian Golf Championship? That is the question. Three options are given. First one Jyoti Randhawa, second one is Anirban Lahiri, and the third option is Shiv Chaurasia. And the answer is option C, Shiv Chaurasia. All the three are golf players, and they also won many matches, but not during the year March 2016. So in March 2016, Shiv Chaurasia won the Indian Open Golf Championship. Now let us move on to the sixth question. Sixth question is, in Commonwealth Games 2018, India won 26. Options are A. Gold medals, B. Silver medals, and C. Bronze medals. So in Commonwealth Games, which was conducted during the year 2018, India won 26 gold medals. Answer is option A, gold medals. And do you know how many silver medals India won during that Commonwealth Games 2018? The silver medals won by India was 19, and India also won 20 bronze medals. So number of gold medals 26, number of silver medals 19, and number of bronze medals it is 20. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Abarna Popat is a famous Indian. Option A, cricket player, B, tennis player, and C, badminton player. So Abarna Popat is a famous, option is C, badminton player. She is a famous Indian badminton player, not cricket player or not tennis player. Okay, so Abarna Popat is a famous Indian badminton player. Answer is option C, badminton player. Next question is question number 8. The first Indian woman Olympic medal winner is. So first Indian woman who won the Olympic medal is option A, Mary Kom, B, Sakshi Malik, and C, Karnam Malleshwari. So the answer is Karnam Malleshwari, and she won the Olympic medal during the year 1995. So the first Indian woman to become the Olympic medal winner is Karnam Malleshwari, option C. Next question is, the Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex is situated in. So where is this Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex situated? It is situated in Pune. Answer is option B, Pune. Three options are given here. Option A is Nasik, option B Pune, and option C Mumbai. So answer is option B, Pune. Now the last question in this lesson is, the Mandodkar Gold Trophy is associated with. So this trophy is associated with which of the following games given over here? Option A is basketball, option B is football, and option C is badminton. So the answer is option B, football. So Bandodkar Gold Trophy is associated with answer football. Okay. Now quick quiz. Which country held the first televised national gymnastic championships in 1958? So which country has telecasted the national gymnastics championship held during 1958? And the answer is Britain. So write the answer here, Britain. Okay, so this is the lesson. Let us see once more. First one, the award given for outstanding performance in sport is Arjuna Award. Bharat Ratna is given for the highest civilian, and Dronacharya is given for the best coach. And basketball was invented by option A, James Naismith, and the option B, William G. Jordan. He invented volleyball, and George Hancock invented softball. And the third one, the word libero is used in volleyball. Then bonus line is marked in the game Kabaddi. The Indian Open Golf Championship won during the year March 2016 was Shiv Chaurasia. And in Commonwealth Games 2018, India won 26 gold medals. Answer is 26 gold medals. The number of silver medals won was 19, and India also won 20 bronze medals. Next one, Aparna Papat is a famous badminton player. The first Indian woman Olympic medal winner is Karnam Malleshwari, and she also received Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, that is India's highest sporting honor, and in 1999 she is awarded with Civilian Padma Shri Award. Question number 9. The Sri Shiv Chhatrapati Sports Complex is situated in Pune. And the question number 10. The Bandodkar Gold Trophy is associated with the game football. And the first televised national gymnastic championship in 1958 is Britain. Okay, so we have completed this lesson. Please complete this in your textbook. So let us wind up this session for today. Thank you.